Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving into the world of 3D design with a guide to the best laptops for 3D modeling. Whether you're a professional architect, game designer, or a student working with CAD software, these laptops offer the powerful graphics, processing speed, and RAM needed to handle complex 3D projects. We'll be showcasing top models that excel in rendering, simulation, and multitasking. Ready to find the perfect laptop for your 3D modeling work? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. Dell Precision 7780. When it comes to mobile workstations, the Dell Precision 7780 stands out as a top contender. Built for demanding tasks, this powerhouse of a machine is ideal for professionals needing high performance on the go. Let's dive into the specifics of this robust laptop. The Intel Core i7-13850HX is an absolute beast, packing 20 cores with clock speeds of 2.20 GHz. This processor is designed for heavy multitasking, and it handles everything from high-end gaming to intensive design applications. Whether you're running CAD programs, 3D rendering, or video editing software, the Dell Precision 7000 ensures a smooth and lag-free experience. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, this workstation can handle multiple applications simultaneously without slowing down. Number 4. Asus 2023 Pro Art Studiobook 16 OLED Laptop. The Asus 2023 Pro Art Studiobook 16 OLED is a high-performance laptop designed specifically for creative professionals. Packed with cutting-edge hardware, an outstanding OLED display, and a sleek design, this laptop is a perfect tool for artists, designers, and content creators who need both power and precision. Let's explore its key features. Powered by the Intel Core i9-13980HX processor, this laptop can handle virtually any task you throw at it. With 24 cores and 32 threads, multitasking is a breeze. Whether you're rendering complex 3D models, working on high-resolution video editing, or running intensive simulations, the Core i9 ensures you get maximum performance without lag. Clock speeds up to 5.6 GHz guarantee quick responsiveness. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, with 8 GB of VRAM, is an ideal choice for those working in graphic-intensive applications like video editing, 3D rendering, and game development. Number 3. Razer Blade 18 Gaming Laptop. The Razer Blade 18 is a top-tier gaming laptop designed for those who demand the best performance, whether for gaming, content creation, or heavy multitasking. With the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i9-HX processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU, and an expansive 18-inch QHD Plus display, this laptop promises to deliver a powerhouse experience for any user. Let's break down what makes this laptop a standout in 2024. At the heart of the Razer Blade 18 lies the Intel Core i9-13950HX processor, boasting 24 cores. This mobile processor utilizes desktop-grade silicon, ensuring incredible performance in resource-intensive tasks like AAA gaming, 4K video editing, and 3D rendering. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, this processor ensures smooth, lag-free performance. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU, the Blade 18 offers the latest in GPU technology, including DLSS 3, ray tracing, and NVIDIA's Max-Q technologies to optimize efficiency and performance. For creators, the RTX 4080 makes rendering, editing, and 3D modeling seamless, while gamers will experience stunning visuals and buttery smooth frame rates, especially with the 240Hz refresh rate display. Number 2. Apple 2023 MacBook Pro. Apple's 2023 MacBook Pro, featuring the M2 Max chip, is a powerhouse laptop designed for professionals who need top-tier performance for creative work, coding, video editing, and more. With the 12-core CPU, 38-core GPU, and 32 GB of unified memory, this MacBook Pro pushes the boundaries of what a laptop can do. Let's explore the features that make this model one of the best professional laptops of 2024. Number 1. MSI Creator Z16 Professional Laptop. The MSI Creator Z16 is a high-performance laptop designed to cater to the needs of creative professionals, content creators, and power users. Equipped with a 16-inch QHD Plus 120Hz touch display, Intel Core i7-11800H processor, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics, this laptop offers exceptional speed, stunning visuals, and portability. Let's dive into the details of what makes this laptop a fantastic choice for professionals. The Intel Core i7-11800H processor at the heart of the MSI Creator Z16 provides excellent performance with its 8-core architecture. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.